chiche mwanya murithiri Omero TV nkeregira uri naro kinero rwega anga kurombana gitio gikinene umbitikirie kwa gitio gikinene mumba kwethirwa ngikumenyithura kuri akiri metha yetu ya Nteto Omero TV rukere aritora kwani Kathure wa Mburugu atukiambiria na Nteto chetu nugutwika County Assembly ya Meru ni nikitie endikithia kire assembly aria kuchwa thina ya kuthiria wamba bwandithia aburia ndipo kuoneka kiritura na kire endikithia reu ma MCS ni pombete kuthoroba kiuga thirikari igachwa njira injega ya gutigira ukaria nibo komba kuthoroba kioneka nteriu tabura mutugi wa Kiambi agutwira
Gethera security na national government. Katu kwa kinya batu tuwe county tuina aratombeke hukumira kidogo at least kenda tomba ni gutethia antu betu. Twaterete bona security kwana. Na kire motion yura katu kwa aji county government tombe kwethira tuki manage movement ya livestock. Nontu ya mainge wethera ngambe ikuyo kethira kwina ngambe chumite mimbi county ira inge mburi kamera. So remunya ambabara ibe yabaga ichitha kiri antubara kana bakeya kana kwatu kibo ba information narangambe cha Meru ire so ke motion neto kala yutukuga waziri wa agriculture babwithie policy baturetere tukulukie kenda gutweka ndithi chondire ikuma county ringi yukuma Meru no mwanka bakuluka ire through chief officer wa agriculture kenda bomba ni kwa baromba license ki chief officer wa agriculture kenda to meagetha itoba kana itobata na kenda to menya ngambi ichiao na energy bao genera kwetha kwina walifu tumba kwetha tukiomba niko bathia ta tumenya ibao bahusika. Number 2 pia another thing no ndu pethagia budget ya oge county tuko ke budget ira tupethagia county no etetheria rethi kura chips ira cha gutrack ng'ombe so that now kinya kwethera muntu ena ng'ombe yana county tuba ikira chothera kini nyang'ambe 10 igaigro chip kana ngambe chia ita at least ire igweta na rakithake ne gwatuka mimbi ni chomba neutral kwa ikoneka ina ire so kwetha kwina antu ng'ombe ngiri kwatuka ng'ombe kana kengirira china chips ira na chips ira ni chips county yombe kia kura na haraka muno chikiri budget ine
itukarie nontu tutumba kwa fondi gulusi ng'ombe cia Meru county cio ndiri antu beto ekiongo but provide security kinya kuombeka KPR abongelwe na thirikari compensate ng'ombe ita cietu ciumbite gwithira cietete no ntu ng'ombe ireta iacoka just a quarter and then tukona yaka kwibu thirikari rombo tutethia whereas that we are losing many livestock
buwe batweti operation akitukarie tukethira tuitie thirikari itukwenda compensation ya ntu betu baraba urai mwanka tha imbua for the last 1.5 months ituthikite ndakache kwetu specifically Muthara ndaka ite kura kwikenda na indaka na banini muno bamwe batiete ana bena miaka etha twina ili yumwe na ikuru banini muno so na ibo barare breadwinners kana antu baraba uchuira family so tukendelea wite compensation ya barabara thi bakaumia bena majera tukendelea wite compensation ya baraba baurai anabo kenda baumba kuthoma na families cio ciendelea boya tukendelea wite compensation ya ng'ombe ira ciaitire na itachoka na tukipresa thirikari iendelea kuchwa ng'ombe wingi
Bageta na mbere kuria biuria uria mbeca cia mwingi chigutumirwa ni kikaro kia mangavana atabura tukumba kuthurwa tukirwa ni Jeff wa Gituma.
We are prepared to do that job, whether you jump up, whether you run away. Mr. Speaker, we have just of late, this is a very recent development that the Senate has suddenly become a bad place. When we came to this House, in fact, it is this fourth Senate, Honorable Speaker, that for the first time pushed the amount of money that goes to counties under the shareable revenue across the 400 billion threshold. It had never been done. It is us. Mr. Speaker, when these governors want things, they look for us to be able to push for them. I was again embarrassed to see the COG sitting in this chamber before our finance committee chaired by Senator Roba, coming to tell us to help them to push what the national government has proposed in this financial year from 420 to 450. In fact, Speaker, if you have noticed. These days I don't even talk about that 450 billion that I used to sing every day in that expired MOU. Because I'm asking myself, 450 billion to go to Governor Jir. 450 billion to go to Governor Jir. And these are the governors who are buying supplements for wild animals. I am conflicted because I swore an oath to defend counties and their governments, but not these ones. Not these ones, Honorable Speaker. When they had a problem with RMLF and the National Assembly was refusing to release money for roads, they came to Sifuna. They came to this house. They came to the Senate. We were fighting for them. In fact, it is them who ran away. In fact, these governors, I am telling you, Speaker, there is a total collapse of leadership of the COG. They will come here when they have problems. We agree that because we are the devolution family, we will fight this fight together. When they are called somewhere behind the tent there, you hear, oh, they have reached an agreement with the National Assembly or with the state. They abandon the fight, Mr. Speaker. And then they leave the senators hanging there. Speaker, it is this house, it is the Committee of the Public Accounts Committee that wrote off 16 billion Kenya shillings in pending bills from Nairobi County books. We sat down with the then Minister for Treasury at the onset of this house and the Comptroller of State House, and we told them in no uncertain terms that the bills that were incurred by NMS were not going to be paid by the county government of Nairobi. That was the Senate. That was Sifuna. That was the County Public Accounts Committee, Honorable Speaker. They came to us crying that because of late exchequer releases, when they delay in paying VAT and not VAT, payee remittances to KRA, there are penalties that are imposed on that late remittance. It was this committee called County Public Accounts Committee. It was Sifuna. It was this Senate that sat down with the Ministry of Finance or the Treasury, and we agreed that because the problem is not originating from the county side, that because late exchequer releases are a reality, you cannot delay giving us money, then when I delay remitting payee for my employees, you add a penalty on top. It was this house that they are now demonizing. Honorable Speaker, it is this house that they are demonizing that ensured that we passed a law here for financial autonomy for the assemblies, because the governors were running circles around the assemblies with the famous Form C, Honorable Speaker. So we have done a lot of things. Speaker, there was the other one of, I think it was for shareable revenue. I've addressed that. There was a question of late exchequer releases. Speaker, whenever there is a delay, you will hear the national government saying, we are up to date. And yet the governors come to our committee and tell us, no, we are behind 3 months. This is the question. How is it possible that they only come to us when they want things? That we are only good people when we are pursuing what they consider their interests. But now, because we want to ask for accountability for the same amount that we fight for, they are demonizing us.
Akari kuma kaithe rutererwa roire rorera gicigo mbunge kia Bori ni bagutetanĩkire bakuga nontuba wakibwa mirandi ya weti na mbere muno wakibwa gwikirwa stima itura riu bakiaria na muthuro jo munene ani bakoneka bakimeneria bonene mujumbe wicigo mbunge kiu Mugambire Ndikiri anikire bakuga go ibethiritwo go kagita bakimwita kombe kwithirwa agikinyithia na kubaretera mirandi ya weti na mbere kiritura riao indingu giawe ni gwitana mbere na gwitithia siasa chitegutethia karita bure mwende olaiboni agutwira
akariba ntura ya kaithero irorera gicigo mbunge kia Bori ni baukirite mumbunge wore Ndikiri Mugambi nontu bo bateyanirie kiri witi na mbere muno mainya ya stima nturene bakiwa babatura kuwatia kando na into bingi bira byakelerwa ikaita
ni antu kwa MP wetu Ndikiri toriuga imuntu bure kabisa nguge oikwena mira Ruto otengo genge twamutumira batu turi antu babore eta na are ambunge gwita ambunge antu eto turetera maendeleo jaja ndende nyorwa kuretera antu bawe oikwena mira ru twaturetaira na kurumana batu tumwa 2027 tutire ndinwe kakana twebere tuchwe mutongeria ro gaturwirira ro gatwitira ngugi twone maendeleo ya kwa bandende njoro ndende nyoro teka aja wambecha nkurukia irare ndikiria ejawa baeja wambecha imwe ndi batu tukorwa maendeleo ya ndikiri tutiuka ngugi wi yaka kioro kimwe skuru akaika muchema ne tumira milioni nkurukia 20 twa kurugura kioro ukara mndune tugwatia mibire ere tumairo itandene ngwatira kando ibyo tutumaira
thirikari nene otibyo tuonete no ntuba kwija kwithira nyankurigara unde igwa ndindi nyoro ora kuthithia kwao unia nkurigara na jethira ndindi nyoro kana nkairwa mbeche cha Kenya yonthe no ntu constituency yetu otibyo tureteri imundu ne turi nture aswa nture nchoro ibro tu imundu ne nya muno
na ici wotegera ntu baingi ithira news jaiu otibyo bate kumba kuthingatiria news batu tutumahira kando na bangi ukethira imauta ata na jatha ijarage kwi market jateku
ndendikiria kuromba kura na transport yetu aja tukunoga tututura mundune maguta atanja na ija urere tuthire ata tutejogonaga uno peu tutu mwendo ure
kwa boliti nchoro iboro imundune bare nyomba ire ciakyo iciambao nyaba kaingira mwambo ayeta nguku kauna mbao na akamatuka
kuluki barua kinya nyuma yo kuona utete kuma kire muntu muna atombere batete gitumina rigereru ne mumbunge uri kwerendekiri mugambi
bare muntu mo ejere area ja tutethia muno na stima gwika ikira rendikiria muthitanga aringwa transfer itwa na ikwa na muntu ba wateni nya MCA wetu kenda tutethia rutere rwa rweru kwa urendikiri oni nduwe muntu tenda kuona maendeleo imundu maendeleo imuntu endete kura maendeleo na imuntu tutethia bori nya na ikanaye ndiuga 2027 no peo
na inya murungu na ara kuringa kia matona mutu tethio ngi ajite tu jambirio twikira stima na rwiro no arachietira na endiraga ri kamutongerio wetu akenga nya maendeleo jageta kungi na kanya kau nya kagwatwo muriko jwawe antu aringa rwikengire oro tureterete weru na ndi na aja ikando tutumira imundu ne turi aswa ntureje kaithia
na riero mbare ore mpone kire mumbunge yo balikana no bekira stima nturene ye bakiwa wasia tu bateta yare kuwa tambaru siasa cia tutam na thirita mgeto mbate kuona weti na mbere
na maendeleo tukondimandi ibatige kutuinira thiritam ibatuitire ngugire ubambie kuina thiritam kira tukwenda tutukwenda kwirwa ake akanywa imaendeleo tukwenda
eni iyari bakuringa siasa ibetere tukinye mwaka jurea no tuthaia butucangaya thayo ukaringa chiacha kana ukagora bia kurea ukagora mutu kwagete butine kai chiacha wayo nengera chiringi thatere ino ngarera na bakwa na ibakwenda mbira na bibinge kwa matoyo tumba kumbigata kumbeka ibafuatulie mkondo yo sheria bambe baita ngugi mbere reje bature yo jange
ibo twira tu tam 3 tam tukoria 3 tam weze tukwirwa ri tukerwa 3 tam atia no te maendeleo tukuona turi akariba ruire rwarera kana katwa mutarire aitango giboruguru ndeje tutiga na ire ndikirire watura tutam ija maendeleo utonye maendeleo leo tuge tutam
kiripotera Meru TV kumabore mbeta wa mwende wala iboni
kagitene gaka kuri season ya mbura riu mandireba ni bori to gutigira ni bagwitegera muno irenjire moe ya gutigira bate gwitonithia kiremetino akenda gutige muno nteriria kuri na mafuriko bubu bumanitie na mutino jira thikire rutererwa itura ria Kawera kumaniana bara betithagia mira nara mukirio nkunja gutwira nkuruki
yana tute musetho kwi kuriski maiza yanto na itubathi twina kiao na antu beto baratuka mata
na mandereba ni bakuru bombe kwethia bakimenyera na bareke okamatancho abangi ukiluka kithimi kira kibatere ni nyuma ya mutino kuonekana Nterese Kaweru no ti antu babaingi na maringangirwa betutairo torobo hospitali nonge umotete torobo ire yakamatite atumira kukirikana bakamati na lori na bakamati kinyanto babaingi site ya kithimi
pole sana tu mandereba kandi chairman no ntuba family ile ombere kumia lakini ito kuria mandereva tafadhali mutethire yura kanoga matanto baba ingena ngarite ya PSV ni makosa ito kamate antuliso nabo ito kamate antu baro kuona uwe ngare isawa ontu ndiona ngare kuira kamate antu saiti yana ngare rate matatu ngare rate tegere tuo kamatanto ngare ne mirio ito ke kamatanto na ngare sa mirio kinya watu mire to isa sawa iturie Nissan iturie bus itwete nya bikibiki tukinye twesasa nonto rero kona accident ya ngari ontore mirio kinya utumba compensate ni insurance
Gaitene kaumu kaririete wa mandereba akaunti ya Nyamero ende na kuria mandereba batira ngari cio ni kuthiatira sharira cia barabara kenda kwebana na mitino kaita ka kambura
ya mbura na iko kuona ni mbura no ke kuendelea kunenea na itoko yirite kana itonete manto ya maingi kukone na mbura itonete nya accident nyingi ukurukira mbura ye no ntobwa floods koko fulandi mno na tukona ntobeto bakiumba nyota mioyo kuna nkure mandereba za ikurete u itote ngari to wangalif ito loele ngari sia to sina mataya mea no ntobo tuko ito na ngari sia to sina wipe ikumba kurtangu kenda ona mbere boya itombe kona ngari sia to sina nyamauro na ngari ke doibu kila kitu obwetheti na dera wa etaweza kuona mbura enyingi weza kuona area tafadhali rungama no ntutukwira ngari nyingi iromye nduko kona ndereba mwakeya akiluka na akiluka ukona ngari ayetaruwe kana yona accident ya una antu agomba utamioyo so itutho twe patient idharire ambura tukenda guthwa tugita speed muno itumaniri babarene na twakinyara twitite tubui
Nkiripotera Meru TV kuma Mawegembe South Mbita Mukiri Onkonja
Murithiria muthia John Teto Chietu ngakuromboke bia mitambo irigira kugwatanira na Bautwe akiri kumurika mangatheti ritora koni Kathure wa Mburugo.